quick reading for the entire month of March, Virgo. Your cards are the Seven of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Four of Wands. So parang meron, mafe-feel mo na bakit aligalig ngayon ni person, no? Kasi madami siya sa yung tanong, anong favorite mo, or eto pa rin ba yung gusto mo pa rin bang pumunta dito? I feel like meron itong either napanalunan or what have you, or talagang pinag-ipunan, no? Parang may pa-surprise at pasabog si person ngayong month of March. Parang March pa lang, no? Nagve-vacation na kayo, if that is your um, request, parang kinukulit ka niya and you feel like "Oh, there's something fishy," and then magugulat ka na lang na parang, "Talaga ba? May ticket na tayo, may itinerary na tayo," yung mga ganyan. Hindi ako umiiyak ha, may sakit ako, so pasensya na. With the Seven of Wands, meron din ditong sinasabi na nag-strategize si person paano niya ito maisa sa katuparan without you probably noticing, no, the entire orchestrations ng kanyang manifestation. So, this is your quick reading for the entire month of March, Virgo.
Predicting future is my purpose.